Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to see if you have the new Instagram Messenger update. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to find out more videos about how to use your devices properly and safely, and give us a like for the YouTube algorithm and to support our channel. So let's start. First you go into your Instagram page, I have it loaded here, and then you go to your profile and in the upper right corner you click to find out settings, archives, your activities. First you click on settings, and then right in the middle you can find security. So you click on security, and then you search again right in the middle, data and history. In data and history application you have access data, and when you enter you can maybe first accept the cookies that are in Instagram. When you click accept, I already accepted them, but I can refresh, and again if you have to accept it twice, do it, it's safely, completely safe. And then you scroll down and you will find date upgraded to cross-app messaging. Let me show it. Date upgrade to cross-app messaging. Do you see it? Yes. And then when you click it, you can find the following information. Your account doesn't have any information to show here. So for me, that means my Instagram is not yet updated to the new Instagram Messenger update. So I'll be waiting for a while, and I'll be continuing to search for this update, so in order to do it. Another way to see if you already have it is when you go back, you go in the main page, and when you click on your profile, you go on the main page, and you have this a little bit of like an arrow thingy where are your messages. And if you already have the new Instagram Messenger update, you will see another button that is looking like a bit like Messenger in the Facebook app. But since I don't have it, mine is just the plain one, the little arrow thingy in the upper right corner in Instagram. So I'll be waiting if I will have it in the future, the new Instagram Messenger update. Can't wait to see it. If you find it and you already use it, please share and comment so we can see more ways how we can upgrade our Instagram and how we can find if we already have the new Instagram Messenger update. Hope the information was useful for you. Have a nice day. Bye.